Laundry shouldn't be the most frustrating part of your week, yet so many people end up wasting hours dealing with slow machines, rising utility costs, and loads that never seem to end. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget washing machines that deliver real value. Make sure to stay until the end because our number 1 choice offers a combination of convenience. And if any of these machines feel like the right fit for your home, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Now let's move at number 5. We have the Auertech 28 lbs laundry has a way of turning into a bigger problem than it should be, especially when you're working with limited space and an even tighter schedule. That's where this twin tub washer begins to shine. Designed for apartments, dorm rooms, RV living, and smaller homes, it takes an everyday chore and makes it feel far more manageable. The standout advantage is its dual tub design, allowing washing and spinning to happen at the same time instead of forcing you through one long cycle after another. That simple difference creates a noticeably smoother laundry routine. Powering the system is a strong 1300 RPM motor that handles daily loads efficiently while maintaining easy operation through separate wash and spin controls. One feature users often appreciate more than expected is the transparent viewing window, which lets you monitor the cleaning process without opening the machine. Compared with single drum compact washers such as Panda-style portable units, the Auertech offers greater flexibility for handling multiple loads throughout the day. Although proper balancing during spin cycles is important for the best results, the built-in drain pump, adjustable drainage hose, and low water consumption further increase its practicality. It's not trying to overwhelm you with unnecessary extras. Coming up next at number 4 is the Superday 18 lbs. Few things are more frustrating than watching an entire evening disappear into laundry duty, especially when you're living in a smaller space where efficiency matters. The Superday approaches that challenge with a design focused on reducing downtime and simplifying the process. Its twin tub system allows washing and spinning to operate side by side, helping you move through loads much faster than traditional single-process portable washers. What helps this machine stand out in the budget category is its silver ion inlet system, an uncommon addition that works through fabric fibers during cleaning to provide an extra level of washing performance. Capacity is another area where it earns attention. With 18 pounds available, it gives users more flexibility than many compact alternatives, making it easier to manage household laundry without constantly splitting loads into smaller batches. Multiple wash and spin timer settings allow you to customize cycles according to your needs while keeping operations straightforward and beginner-friendly. Compared to smaller 10 to 12 pound portable washers, the Superday clearly offers greater load flexibility. Though users still need to balance loads properly and remember that the spin cycle does not fully dry clothing. The lightweight plastic construction makes transportation and positioning simple, while the transparent lid adds visibility during operation. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Superdeal 9.9 lb. Sometimes the challenge isn't finding a washing machine with enough power. It's finding one that actually fits your lifestyle and your available space. That's exactly why this compact twin tub unit continues to attract attention among budget-conscious buyers. Whether you're living in a dorm room, traveling in an RV, or working with a very small apartment, every inch matters, and this machine respects that reality. The dual tub setup allows washing and spinning simultaneously, helping you save valuable time despite the machine's smaller size. It connects conveniently to a standard faucet and quickly becomes part of your routine, handling essentials like baby clothes, workout gear, delicate fabrics, and everyday garments without demanding much space. One particularly useful feature is its true rinse approach, which helps reduce detergent residue and leaves clothes feeling cleaner and fresher after each cycle. Separate timers provide precise control over washing and spinning, allowing you to customize performance based on each load. Compared with larger portable washers, capacity is understandably lower, but the trade-off brings impressive portability and convenience. The lightweight yet durable construction makes moving and storing the machine easy, though users should keep loads balanced for the smoothest operation. Coming in at number 2 is Nictemaw 20 lbs. Many people assume choosing a budget washing machine means accepting compromises in power, capacity, or modern convenience. The Nictemaw challenges that assumption almost immediately. Built to handle larger household demands, this twin-tub style washer combines impressive capacity with thoughtful features that make everyday laundry significantly easier. One of its biggest strengths is its powerful motor, which doesn't simply clean clothes effectively, but also helps remove up to 90% of water during spin cycles, noticeably reducing drying time afterward. For busy households, that time savings becomes incredibly valuable. Features such as delay start, child lock, and tub clean add a more modern feel that many budget competitors simply don't provide. Compared with smaller 9.9-pound portable washers, the difference in capacity is immediately noticeable, allowing families and frequent laundry users to complete more work in fewer loads. Naturally, the larger size requires additional space, but the increased efficiency often makes that trade-off worthwhile. The built-in drain pump eliminates much of the inconvenience associated with manual water removal, while the energy-efficient and low-noise operation makes it well-suited for apartments, family homes, and shared living environments. Taking the top spot is Auertech Shack 15.6 lbs. Taking the number 1 spot is the Fox Shack 15.6 lbs. There are budget washing machines that simply get the job done, and then there are models that make daily laundry noticeably easier, more flexible, and more convenient from the moment you start using them. The Fox Shack belongs firmly in that second category. Built around a generous 15.6-pound capacity, it combines functionality and customization in a way that's surprisingly rare at this price level. The machine features 10 washing programs designed to handle everything from delicate fabrics to bedding and everyday clothing, giving users the freedom to choose the right cycle rather than settling for a one-size-fits-all approach. Families will appreciate the added peace of mind provided by the child lock function, and the durable stainless steel drum helps reinforce confidence in long-term reliability. Installation is refreshingly straightforward thanks to the included inlet hose, outlet hose, and faucet adapter, making setup much easier for first-time users. Compared with many compact washing machines that sacrifice flexibility in order to remain small, the Fox Shack offers considerably more customization and everyday convenience, although extremely tight spaces may find its footprint slightly larger than some ultra-compact alternatives. After comparing all 5 machines, the Fox Shack 17.6 lbs stands out as the overall winner. While every model on this list offers strong value for specific situations, the Fox Shack delivers the most complete balance of capacity, versatility, convenience, and long-term usability. Its 10 washing programs, adjustable water levels, LED display, child lock, stainless steel drum, and straightforward installation create an experience that feels more refined without moving beyond the budget category. It adapts comfortably to apartments, dorms, RVs, and family homes while providing the flexibility needed for different laundry demands. Rather than excelling in just one area, it performs consistently across the board, which ultimately makes it the easiest recommendation for most buyers. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best budget washing machines. If one of these models caught your attention, you'll find all the links down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and buying guides.